Hi everyone, welcome back to Web of Life. Whenever I'm entering into a rainforest, I have been greeted by some strange buzzing sounds. For me, it's like a welcome song. At first, I was very much curious about these creepy noises. Later, I have realized that somebody is behind this. Today, we are going to learn about that wonderful living being. I think we are familiar with the peculiar voice it makes, more than the creature itself, and that particular species is called cicada. Cicada is a group of sound producing flying insects. They are dark colored and somewhat large bodied when compared to other small insects. Also, they are widely known for their unique and loud clicking noises. There are more than 3,000 species of cicadas are recorded around the world, and many more species yet to be described. And in India, around 250 cicada species are known so far. Most cicadas appear every year, while others emerge only every few years. Based on this, generally they are classified into two categories: annual cicadas and periodical cicadas. Annual cicadas emerge every year, while periodical cicadas emerge in a cycle of 13 or 17 years, depending on their species. In both cases, all the cicada species have one thing in common: the lifespan divided into two parts: life above the ground and life underground. And the interesting thing is that their life above the ground is very much shorter than the underground life. They spend most of their life underground as a larva, followed by a short adulthood for just 2 to 6 weeks above the ground. Like in the case of butterflies, they also undergo the process of metamorphosis. When they are ready, they will emerge from the ground for transforming their life into adults. Now, let's see how the cicadas become the singers of the forest. The singing behavior happens only when they are above the ground as adults. The sound is produced mostly by males, which they make mainly to impress and attract the females for mating. Cicadas don't sing with their mouths like we humans do, but they use specialized structure called thimbles on each side of their abdomen to produce their characteristic sounds. Repeated vibrations in the timbal membrane result in the sound. The singing attracts both males and females. The males will join the singing for competition, and the females will mate with the singing males. The several species are easily recognized by differences in songs, behavior, and morphology. Sometimes they sing to express alarms. In rare cases, female and some male cicadas will also make the sound by flicking or rubbing their wings. And the group of singing cicadas is called a chorus. Now we can see the stages in the lifespan of a cicada. Cicadas start their life as eggs above the ground. Female cicadas lay their eggs among small branches and tree twigs. Approximately 6 weeks later, these eggs will hatch. These hatched small ones are known as nymphs. They fall into the soil and burrow underneath the ground. They feed on sap from tree roots. These nymphs will molt in 5 growth cycles. The fifth and final molt occurs above the ground when they emerge as adults. After emerging from underground, they climb the trunks of nearby host trees. There the cicadas shed the skin, metamorphosis happens, and allowing the adults to come out. Adult cicadas, also called imagos, spend their time in trees looking for suitable mates. Almost 5 to 6 weeks later, all the adults expire by normal death or by becoming food to birds or small mammals. Before that, the males sing, females respond, mating happens, and the circle of life begins again. Now, let's see the services they are doing in this web of life. Cicadas help their host trees by pruning the weak branches. When the cicada nymphs burrow, they aerate the soil and bring the nutrients to the surface to benefit the plants. Once cicadas die, their bodies become an important source of fertilizer for growing trees. Most importantly, the adult cicadas play the crucial role in balancing the food chain, as tons of them are eaten by their particular predators. Because of these reasons, many scientists see the presence of cicadas in a forest as an indicator of a healthy and active ecosystem. These tiny cicadas, with very short lifespan, are performing the roles very much perfectly in this planet Earth. What we humans do. We will see more topics in the coming vlogs. Thank you all.